My name is Junia Georgi, and I am the Chief of Design at the National Gallery of Canada. The National Gallery of Canada undertakes cyclical maintenance of their galleries every couple of years. Coming after the opening of the Canadian and Indigenous galleries in June, the timing was right. Therefore, the Baroque room was one of the first rooms that we decided to address. What we did is strip the fabric off of the walls. The fabric had been installed when we first opened, so it was very aged and faded. We extended the structure all the way up to the ceiling, so really reinforced the substructure to allow for more versatility in terms of where we hang. We also removed the cabling system, so that really eliminated the architectural detailing and now allows the galleries to really be a little cleaner and sharper. We went through a series of mock-ups of various shades of red in order to identify this current color, but we early on decided to in fact maintain this red. The Baroque period used very saturated, deep colors typically, and I think especially with the change in lighting, the mixture of LED and halogen, I think it really works rather nicely as a backdrop to these artworks. And finally, we introduced our new label standard into these galleries, which is now in alignment, in fact, with our Canadian and Indigenous galleries, as well as with many of our other galleries. And the new labeling system is, in fact, much more accessible. I think the room looks refreshed and refreshing. The room as a whole, I believe, is rather striking, and I hope that the visitors will like it as much as I do.